guys, how's it going? It's Ray from CMA. I'm at the complex on the back side of the Phillipsdale Landing, and I just wanted to give you a quick little shot of the 73 Charger. It is done, it's finished, and it will be picked up later on this afternoon. I just got done taking it out for a test drive. Not bad at all. Things looking pretty good. The car just inside. The interior of this car is amazing, and it's all factory. It's stock. It's original. Car, I'm very pleased with the way it came out. We reconditioned, we detailed the whole car. Took a lot of time, but it was so worth it. Now you can see the sunny side. It looks amazing for what it is. It shines, it gleams, it looks awesome. I'm so happy. I know the customer is going to be really happy, and I hope you're happy with the result too, because it looks really nice. Guys, thank you so much. I appreciate all your support. Like the videos, share them, comment on them. Let me know how I'm doing. Alright guys, talk to you later. Have a great, blessed day. Bye.